Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 DLSS missing after installing NVIDIA graphics driver. So if you are also into the same situation, then go through this video guide and find out the step-by-step guide what to do. So what you do, simply go to the search option over here, go to the control panel. After that, click on uninstall a program, and here you need to search for NVIDIA graphics driver and simply you need to uninstall it. After uninstalling it, also uninstall the NVIDIA graphics app. After that, now open NVIDIA link that I provided in the description. Select the details of your graphics driver from here. Whatever graphic details you need to enter, simply enter those details, and after that click on find option. Now wait for some time, and now you can see that the drivers. Now select the NVIDIA Studio driver and click on view, and after that from here you need to click on download option. Click on download option and this will download the latest drivers on your PC. So after it gets downloaded, you need to wait for some time unless it gets downloaded. It is downloaded. Now go to the download folder on your PC, and after that simply install the latest versions of your NVIDIA graphics driver, and after that check if the error is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.